Did you know that people can heal their bodies the natural way without side effects, surgeries, or synthetic drugs? Today we're diving deep into the hidden healing powers of one of nature's most underrated oils, castor oil. This isn't just grandma's laxative. Castor oil can do so much more, from detoxing your liver to balancing hormones, reducing pain, improving sleep, and even helping with hair growth. And stick around to the end, because I'll show you how to make my nighttime detox blend using castor oil that cleanses your liver while you sleep. You don't want to miss it. I also want to clearly state that this video is just for informational purposes, and you should always do your due diligence to find out if this is something you should try. Consult with an healthcare provider for further information if necessary. Liver detox with castor oil packs. Let's start with liver detox. Soak a piece of flannel in cold-pressed castor oil, place it over your right side, just beneath the rib cage, cover with plastic wrap, then place a heating pad on top for 45 minutes. This stimulates lymphatic drainage and helps your liver process toxins more efficiently. Best for acne, hormonal imbalances, sluggishness, chronic fatigue. Do this 3 to 4 times a week for noticeable results. Shrink cysts and fibroids. One of the most overlooked uses, applying castor oil over your lower abdomen or breasts to reduce fibroids, ovarian cysts, or benign breast lumps. Many women have reported smaller cysts and lighter periods after doing this nightly for 30-90 days. You can also use a heating pad to enhance absorption. Best for uterine fibroids, PCOS, ovarian cysts, breast tenderness. Grow back thinning hair and eyelashes. Mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with a few drops of rosemary or peppermint essential oil. Apply it to your scalp, eyebrows, or eyelashes at night using a spoolie or your fingertips. This boosts circulation to the hair follicles and stimulates regrowth. People with alopecia, postpartum shedding, or just thin hair see major results within weeks. Best for alopecia, weak lashes, slow-growing hair. Just so you know, I will place the links to all my top recommended products in the description below. I will earn a small percentage from any sales made as I'm a member of the Amazon Associates program. Now back to our list. Heal constipation fast. Yes, the old school method still works. If you're backed up, take 1-2 teaspoons of castor oil internally, but always check with your doctor first. You'll usually get relief within 4 to 8 hours. It stimulates the intestines and helps move waste gently. Best for occasional constipation, sluggish digestion. Natural sleep support. This one surprised even me when I first tried it. Rub a few drops of castor oil over your eyelids, temples, or abdomen before bed. It activates your parasympathetic nervous system. That's your rest and digest mode. People report deeper sleep, less anxiety, and feeling calmer overall. Best for insomnia, stress, restlessness at night. Pain relief and inflammation reduction. Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, a powerful anti-inflammatory. Apply it warm over joints, knees, or sore muscles. Wrap with a flannel and use a heating pad for 30-45 minutes. Great for chronic pain, arthritis, or even recovering from workouts. Best for joint stiffness, swelling, muscle pain. Hormone balance, especially for women. Here's where it gets holistic. When you use castor oil packs regularly over the liver and pelvic area, it helps the body process excess estrogen, reducing symptoms like PMS, hormonal acne, or painful periods. Over time, many women notice more regular cycles, lighter cramps, and even improved moods. Best for PCOS, estrogen dominance, PMS, skin breakouts. Now let's talk quality. Not all castor oils are created equal. Always go for cold-pressed, hexane-free castor oil. Look for dark glass bottles, not plastic. And before applying it to large areas, always do a patch test on your skin to check for sensitivity. Your body deserves the good stuff. Don't skimp here. So, which one of these uses surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want me to show you how to make that full castor oil nighttime detox blend, just drop a show me the blend in the comments and I'll do a follow-up video just for you. If this video helped you, give it a like. Share it with someone who's looking for natural healing, and don't forget to subscribe because I post weekly tips that help you heal your body from the inside out. And next week's video, how to naturally shrink fibroids without surgery. You don't want to miss that one. Until then, stay well, stay grounded, and as always, stay naturally healed. See you soon.